For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a lipstick business can be an exciting and rewarding venture. With a growing demand for beauty products and personalized cosmetics, there is ample opportunity to build a successful brand. Leveraging free AI tools can help streamline your process, minimize costs, and provide expert guidance along the way. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process of starting a lipstick business using free AI, from idea generation to launching your product. Step 1. Research the market and define your niche. Begin by understanding the current lipstick market. Use AI-powered research tools like ChatGPT to gather information about trends, consumer preferences, and competitors. A useful prompt for ChatGPT might be: analyze the current trends in the lipstick industry and identify gaps or niche opportunities for a new brand. This helps you uncover underserved customer needs, such as vegan, cruelty-free, long-lasting, or custom color lipsticks. Knowing your target market will allow you to tailor your product and branding accordingly. Step 2. Develop your brand identity. Creating a strong brand is essential for standing out. Use AI tools like Canva, which has free features, combined with ChatGPT to brainstorm brand names, slogans, and visual identity. Ask ChatGPT. Generate unique and catchy brand name ideas for a lipstick business that focuses on natural ingredients and bold colors. Then, design logos and color palettes using Canva's free templates and AI suggestions. This step ensures your brand looks professional and appeals to your audience. Step 3. Formulate your product concept. Decide on the type of lipstick you want to create: matte, glossy, moisturizing, long wear, or specialized formulas. You can use AI to help draft product descriptions and ingredient lists. For example, prompt ChatGPT with "create a detailed product description for a long-lasting, hydrating matte lipstick made with natural ingredients." If you're not a chemist, look for free online resources or communities where formulations are shared, and consult AI to simplify complex chemical terms into understandable language. Step 4. Find suppliers and manufacturers. To produce your lipstick, you will need suppliers for raw materials or a manufacturer that can produce private label products. Use AI-assisted search engines like Google with advanced queries to locate reliable manufacturers and suppliers. A helpful prompt to ChatGPT could be: list reputable private label lipstick manufacturers that offer small batch production and support eco-friendly packaging. Once you have options, contact them for quotes, minimum order quantities, and turnaround times. Step 5. Create a business plan. Having a clear plan helps you set goals and secure any needed funding. Use ChatGPT to help you draft a business plan by prompting: write a detailed business plan outline for a startup lipstick brand, including market analysis, product strategy, marketing plan, and financial projections. You can also input your own details and ask the AI to refine and expand your plan. This document will serve as a roadmap and may be useful if you seek investors or loans. Step 6. Design packaging and labeling. Packaging plays a major role in product appeal and compliance. Use free AI-powered design tools like Canva or Adobe Express to create eye-catching packaging designs. Ask ChatGPT for label content prompts such as: write legally compliant and attractive product label text for a lipstick that includes ingredient list, usage instructions, and safety warnings. Additionally, research regulations on cosmetic labeling to ensure your packaging meets legal standards. Step 7. Build your online presence. An online store and social media presence are key to reaching customers. Use platforms like Shopify or Etsy for e-commerce, many of which offer free trials. For content creation, employ ChatGPT to draft product descriptions, blog posts, and social media captions. A prompt might be: write an engaging Instagram post introducing a new lipstick collection targeting millennials interested in cruelty-free cosmetics. For graphics, rely on Canva's AI design tools to create consistent branding across platforms. Step 8. Plan your marketing strategy. Marketing your lipstick brand requires creativity and consistency. Use AI to develop a comprehensive marketing plan by prompting ChatGPT. Create a 3-month marketing plan for a new lipstick brand, including influencer outreach, social media ads, email campaigns, and giveaways. Utilize free tools such as MailChimp for email marketing and social media scheduling apps like Buffer or Later, which have free versions. AI can also help analyze competitor marketing strategies and suggest improvements. Step 9. Launch and collect customer feedback. Once your product and website are ready, launch your lipstick line. Encourage early customers to leave reviews and feedback to improve future iterations. Use AI-powered sentiment analysis tools. Some free versions exist, like Monka Learn, to analyze customer reviews and social media mentions. Prompt ChatGPT. Summarize the main positive and negative feedback from customer reviews for a new lipstick brand. This insight helps you adapt quickly and maintain customer satisfaction. Step 10. Scale your business. After a successful launch, plan how to scale production, expand your product range, and grow your audience. Ask ChatGPT. Suggest strategies for scaling a small lipstick business that started online, including partnerships, new product development, and international expansion. Free AI tools can help with ongoing market analysis, customer relationship management, and automating routine tasks, allowing you to focus on growth. Starting a lipstick business using free AI tools combines creativity with efficiency, helping you make informed decisions and reduce initial costs. By leveraging AI for research, branding, product development, marketing, and customer feedback, you set your business up for success in a competitive beauty market. Remember to stay flexible, listen to your customers, and keep innovating. With dedication and the smart use of AI resources, your lipstick brand can capture attention, build loyalty, and thrive. Good luck on your entrepreneurial journey. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.